Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Boofus' Sports Card Collecting. Today I got a couple of blaster boxes of the new Bowman 2020. I know it's 2021, I'm sorry. I know it's a little late with getting these out because everybody else has seemed to open them, but I finally got some. So I'm going to go ahead and break them open and see what I got. So it says here that there's 72 cards per box and that there's 5 packs plus 1 extra pack, 12 cards per pack, so 72 cards. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get out of this blaster box. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have opened some of these blasters or some of the hobbies or megas and what you guys have gotten out of it. Let me know if you guys like this Bowman retail stuff. And then let's see what we pull out of here. Alright. So, there's the packs. I'll go ahead and start with the first pack. Okay, now these are mostly minor leaguers, so I'm sorry if I kill the names, but I'll probably kill them even if it's the major leaguers. But right on. Start off, first card, good card. Alec Bohm, rookie card from the Phillies. Very nice. That's a good one. Got a Nolan Arenado from, at this time, the Rockies, now in the Cardinals. Got a Juan Soto from Washington Nationals. That's another good one. An Aaron Judge from the New York Yankees. Another good one. Hold on, guys. Let me adjust this for a second. There we go. That's a bit better. Sorry about that. Next card, I got Mike Yastrzemski. And I got a Bo Bichette. And check out this card. I got a Rookie of the Year favorites, Brian Hayes. Now that's a nice card since he's the big rookie out of Series 2. And I got a Robert Paulson Chrome from the Athletics. And a Taylor Trammell Chrome from the Seattle Mariners. And an Esler Mortero from the St. Louis Cardinals. A Shane Baez from the Tampa Bay Rays. And a Shea Lorenes from the Atlanta Braves catcher. Alright, next pack. Oh yeah, forgot to show you. I'll show you the odds. Everybody likes to see the odds. So here are the odds of everything you can possibly pull out of these packs. And let's see what we can pull. Let's get to ripping. Like one guy I watch, he says 1 pack away from greatness. That's very true. So on top I got a Trevor Bauer on the Reds, now on the Dodgers. Got a Jorge Soler from the Kansas City Royals. Got a Jesus Sanchez from the Miami Marlins rookie card. Got an Alex Kirilloff from the Minnesota Twins rookie card. Got a Jose Garcia from the Cincinnati Reds rookie card. Got a Ominous Gimenez rookie card from the New York Mets. And I got a Dylan Carlson rookie card from the St. Louis Cardinals. Alright, my Chrome, I got a Shane Baez from Tampa Bay Rays. And a Bryson Scott from the Phillies. And right on, I got a first Bowman of Blaze Jordan. Nice card right there. And I got a Brandon Laurel paper this time. And a Reed Dimmers pitcher from the Angels. Alright, next pack. See what I get. So far, I like what we pulled so far. Let's see what we can continue pulling. Alright, top card. Miguel Cabrera, Mr. Triple Crown. Got a Max Kepler from the Minnesota Twins. Got a Gleyber Torres from the New York Yankees. Got a Blake Snell from the Tampa Bay at this time, but now in the San Diego Padres. Got a Yu Darvish on the Chicago Cubs, which is now in the San Diego Padres. Got a Turkington Screwball from the Detroit Tigers rookie card. Got a Clark Schmidt rookie card from the New York Yankees. Got a Shea Larry-Ennis from the Atlanta Braves catcher. I know I had a paper one, now I got a chrome. And the same thing, I got a Reed Dimmers from the Angels. I had a paper one of them, now I have a chrome of him. Back to back. Okay, and got a Terran Vara from the Colorado Rockies. Got a Logan Gilbert pitcher from the Seattle Mariners. And got a Bruce Turang, shortstop, second baseman from the Milwaukee Brewers. Alright, next pack. Let's see what we get. Alright. Top card is a Tristan McKenzie rookie card from the Cleveland team. We got an Ian Anderson rookie card from the Atlanta Braves pitcher. Alright, got a Nick Madrigal rookie card from the Chicago White Sox. Even though he got hurt, I still am good with him. I think he's a really great player. He's going to help out the team. Nick Madrigal, right on. Got a Garrett Crockett rookie card from the Chicago White Sox pitcher. Some PC there. I got this guy. I got Pete Alonso from the New York Mets. I got a top 100 Bowman Scouts, 15 of 100 from the San Francisco Giants. Joey Bart rookie card. Nice card. Another nice one that goes along with the Key Brian Hayes. And then I got a Bruce Turang, shortstop, second baseman from the Milwaukee Brewers. Now it's a chrome card. And I also got Ehlers Mador, third baseman from the St. Louis Cardinals as a chrome. And my next three cards are Jordan Adams from the Angels. Lover Piguro, shortstop from the Pittsburgh Pirates. And Patrick Bailey, catcher from the San Francisco Giants. Alright, next pack. Alright, top card is a Manny Machado from the San Diego Padres. A Luis Garcia rookie card from the Washington Nationals. A Sixto Sanchez rookie card from the Miami Marlins. A Yordan Alvarez from the Houston Astros. And if you didn't hear, that's my other cat, Bo, saying hi. I got Jacob deGrom from the New York Yankees, best pitcher in baseball right now. Got a Mike Clevenger from the San Diego Padres. I got a 1991 Bowman throwback of Gerald Kendrick. Kendrick? Saying that wrong. Jared Kendrick. Kendrick. It's a cool card. Got a chrome of Patrick Bailey, catcher from the Giants. And I got a chrome of Heston Kjerstad of the Baltimore Orioles. And then my last three cards are Nolan Gorman of the St. Louis Cardinals. Jackson Cordeau of the Kansas City Royals, pitcher. And the last card is another Heston Kjerstad or whatever. Hard to say. Kjerstad from the Baltimore Orioles. Alright guys, last pack of that first blaster. See what I get. One pack away from greatness. Let's see what we can get. Matt Chapman from the Oakland A's. Javi Baez from the Chicago Cubs. Whit Minifield from the Kansas City Royals. Rookie card of Joe Adele from the Angels. Rookie card, Key Brian Hayes from the Pittsburgh Pirates. That's number 2 of him out of this blaster. Rookie card, Spencer Howard, pitcher from the Philadelphia Phillies. I got a talent pipeline from the San Francisco Giants. Seth Currier, Helmut Ramos, and Melvin Ardo. That's a pretty cool card. I'm not a Giants fan, I was a Dodger fan. But that's a cool card. Talent pipeline. Nice. Alright, next card. Got a chrome of George Kirby from the Seattle Mariners. And I got a chrome of Teston Vera. I think I have a paper of him. Got a chrome from the Colorado Rockies. Alright, and my next 3 are Dylan Dinger from the Detroit Tigers. Kevin Alcantara, first Bowman. Here's the first Bowman from the New York Mets. And a George Kirby, pitcher from the Seattle Mariners. Alright, that was my first blaster box. I got many cards that I want to sleeve up. Let me see what my top cards are. The chromes over here. That one. Rookie cards. All the rookies. Lady Jordan first, from. Rookie Dylan Carlson. Rookie. Chrome. Rookie, okay. Pretty good cards in this first pull. I'm very happy with what I got in the first pull. And all these chrome cards. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 chrome cards in that. One blaster. That's pretty cool. A lot of really cool cards put to the collection. But the ones I like so far are this talent pipeline of the San Francisco Giants. The Key Brian Hayes base card. The Gerald Kendrick throwback to 1991 Bowman refractor. The Joey Bart top 100 number 15. And the Key Brian Hayes Rookie of the Year favorites. So far that's my favorite stuff out of the first blaster. And that's going to do it for this episode. I'll leave this next blaster for another time. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below and let me know what you think. Peace.